Okay, I am going now.
Hey, wait. Take this for your sister.
Oh, what is it?
It's a small gift for your sister, only.
Can I see it?
No, you can't see.
Why? Is it something secret?
Yes, very special.
Now I am more curious.
Just give it to her, and please don't open it.
Don't worry, I won't. Promise?
Yes, promise. By the way, I'm feeling hungry now.
Then come inside. Eat something here.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, of course. What do you want?
Something special like this gift.
I can make pasta or egg rice.
I want egg rice.
Good choice. Relax for 10 minutes.
But one condition, you eat with me.
Done. We will eat together.
Thank you so much.
You are most welcome. Do you want any help?
No, just relax. By the way, where are your parents?
They're in the office, so I am alone at home.
Your house is very clean.
Thank you. I cleaned it in the morning.
You're very organized.
Not always.
Still, it looks nice. Jake, do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too much.
Okay, medium spicy. It smells really good.
Almost ready. Just 2 more minutes.
Okay, come here. Food is ready.
Wow, it looks delicious. Sit down. Let's eat.
Tell me honestly, how is it?
This is amazing. You cook very well.
I'm happy you liked it. Eating together feels nice.
Yes, it feels warm, like family.
I should come here more often.
You are always welcome. After eating, don't forget the gift.
Yes, I remember. My sister will be very happy.
Hey, Emma, come. I am waiting for you.
Just a second, I'm coming.
Finally, you took so long.
Sorry, I was getting ready.
Oh, wow, you look nice. That makeup. Are you going to college or a party?
Of course, college.
Then why so much makeup?
Oh, Jane, please stop.
I'm serious. You look different today.
Is it bad?
No, it looks good. Let's go, we are getting late.
Wait, did my brother come yesterday?
Yes, he came. He was very hungry. I made egg rice for him.
You cooked for him? Wow, he's lucky. Did he like it?
Yes, he said it was amazing.
Did he give anything?
Yes, a gift for you.
Really? Where is it?
At my home, he told me not to open it.
Now I am very curious. At least tell me the color.
It's pink with a ribbon.
That sounds cute. My brother is acting strange these days.
Why?
He is smiling more.
Maybe he's happy. Let's go fast, we are late.
Today we have a test, right?
Oh no, I forgot. See, too much makeup, less study.
Don't worry, I studied. You will help me.
Of course. After college, come to my home to open the gift.
Yes, I'm excited now. Let's go.
The weather is really nice today.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what happened?
I am new here. I am looking for City College.
That's our college. You're going the right way.
Really? I was confused.
Don't worry, we are also going there. Are you a new admission?
Yes, today is my first day. I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. What is your name?
My name is Ryan.
Hi Ryan, I'm Jean and she's Emma.
Nice to meet you both.
Which course?
BA first year.
You will enjoy college life. Don't worry, we will help you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
The college is just ahead. Go to the admission office first.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Let's go, we are getting late.
Hi, Emma. You are alone here?
Yes, I'm waiting for Jean.
Can I stay here with you? I didn't want to stand alone.
Of course, this campus is really big.
Yes, I got lost twice already. Are you nervous?
A little, but also excited. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi. I came here alone.
Was it difficult?
Very difficult. Leaving family, friends, everything. Yesterday night, I couldn't sleep.
Don't worry, you will feel better soon. Do you stay in hostel?
Yes, college hostel. It's a little uncomfortable.
New place takes time. Now you know me.
Yes, that helps. I really need friends here.
You will make many. Which class do you have first?
English class.
Really? Me too. We can go together.
I would like that. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like music and cooking.
Then I want to try your food someday.
Maybe if you are lucky, Jane is still not here.
Should we go without her?
No, she will be angry. That's Jane.
I'm really happy I met you today.
Me too, Ryan. Oh no, I missed my bus.
Ryan, what happened?
I missed my bus. I don't know how to go back alone.
Relax. It's okay. There will be another bus.
I am new here. Everything feels confusing.
I understand. You look tired.
Yes, first day was heavy.
Same here. Classes, new people, new place. Too much for one day.
Did you like the college?
Yes, it's nice, but I still feel a little lost.
That's normal. It will get better. Where is your hostel?
Near the main road.
Oh, I know that place. It's not far. See, you are not alone.
Thank you, Jane. Emma also helped me a lot today.
She's like that. We just help friends.
Friends? I like that word.
Now you are part of our group, officially.
That makes me happy. Is that my bus?
Yes, check the number. That's yours.
Thank you so much, Jane. See you tomorrow.
Yes, take care.
Hey, you must be Ryan.
Yes, and you are Jake?
Yes, your roommate. Nice to meet you. Come in.
Thanks. How was your first day?
Honestly, a little confusing. Everything is new.
Exactly. Even I missed my bus today.
What did you do then?
My friend helped me.
So you already made friends. That's fast.
Their names are Jane and Emma. They are very kind.
Good. You need people like that. Sit down. You look tired.
I am tired. Do you have water?
Yes, here. So, where are you from?
I'm from Delhi, big city, but I miss my home.
I understand. I'm from a small town.
What does your family do?
My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. Do you have siblings?
Yes, one younger sister. I miss her a lot.
Me too. What did your father say when you left home?
He said, work hard and make us proud.
Same words. Mothers always cry, right?
Yes, my mom cried a lot, but we are here for our future.
We should help each other. We are roommates now.
Not just roommates, friends, maybe like brothers.
That feels good to say. Thank you, Jake.
Anytime, bro. Today was difficult, but now I feel better.
Yes, we will manage everything together.
Let's focus on study now. We have homework.
Did you understand this topic?
Not really.
Same problem.
I think we need coffee or sleep.
Sleep sounds better. No, study first.
You are very serious today.
Someone has to be.
By the way, you were talking a lot with Ryan today.
He's just a friend.
Jane, he looks nice.
Yes, he's a good person and a little shy.
I like shy people. They are honest.
He was very worried at the bus stop, but he felt better after talking.
You helped him a lot.
You also helped him. We are a good team.
He said you cook well.
Did he say that? That's nice.
He wants to eat your food again.
Jane, you are teasing me.
Of course. Okay, enough talk. Study now.
No more Ryan talk.
No, but he's a nice guy.
Yes, I know. Maybe he will become our close friend.
And maybe something more.
Jane.
Let's finish this chapter.
Yes, before we sleep. Tomorrow will be another long day.
Yes, but fun too. With friends, everything is easy.
Especially with Ryan.
Jane?
What? Today was a long day, but also fun. We met new people and made new friends. Especially Ryan. Yes, your just friend.
Good night, Jane.
Good night, Jake.
Hey, are you awake?
Yes, why?
I forgot to tell you, my sister is coming next week.
Here?
No, to the city. She wants to see the college. Can you help me show her around?
Of course.
Thank you. She is very shy.
That's okay. Emma is shy too.
Really? Emma seems very confident.
That's only outside. Inside, she's nervous.
You two are close.
Yes, like sisters. Good night for real.
Good night.
Jane, are you still there?
Yes, I am here. I cannot sleep.
Me neither. Let's talk more. What do you miss the most?
My mother's cooking and my bed. Hostel food is okay, but not the same.
Same. And I miss my dog, Bruno.
That's a nice name. What do you miss?
My sister's laugh. She laughs very loudly.
That must be fun. You will see her next week.
Yes, I'm counting the days.
Jane, have you ever been in love?
That is very personal.
Sorry, you don't have to answer.
No, it's okay. Yes, once. He moved away.
I am sorry.
It was a long time ago. What about you?
Never. I was always focused on studies.
That is boring.
My parents said love can wait, but now I'm in college. Maybe things will change.
Maybe. Do you think you will find someone here?
You are kind and funny.
You think I am funny?
Sometimes. That is a compliment. Good night, Jane.
Good night, Jake.
Hey, good morning. Time to wake up.
What time is it?
6:30 a.m. You said you would wake me.
I am waking you now. What is the plan for today?
Classes from 9 to 3. Then we go to Emma's house to open the gift.
Oh yes, the pink ribbon gift. I'm curious.
Me too. What do you think is inside?
Maybe a book or a photo frame.
Or jewelry, but my brother is not rich.
Then maybe a handmade card. He's artistic.
Really? He never shows anyone.
Then why would he give a drawing to Emma?
Because he likes her. Do you think my brother likes Emma?
I am sure of it, but do not tell anyone.
I promise. Okay, let's get ready.
I will use the bathroom first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I win.
Fine, go fast.
Done. Let's go to class.
Wait, I need to comb my hair.
You look fine. We're late.
Okay, let's run.
There's Emma and Ryan. Hi, everyone.
Good morning. How was your first class?
Good. History. We had English and math.
How was math?
Hard. Emma, are you free after college?
Yes, why?
We're going to your house to open the gift.
Oh yes, I forgot. Come at 4 p.m. My parents will be home.
Perfect. Jake, your brother called me this morning.
Really? What did he say?
He asked if you were eating well, and he said the gift is very special.
Now I am more curious.
Emma, do you think it is a love letter?
Jane, stop. I'm just asking. We will find out in a few hours.
Last class is geography. That is easy.
Yes, maps and capitals. Ryan, do you know the capital of France?
Paris.
Good, you pass.
That was easy.
Okay, class dismissed.
Finally. Jake, are you ready to go to Emma's house?
Yes, let's take the bus.
3 tickets to Green Park.
Here, I love bus rides.
Me too. Lember, do you like bus rides?
Yes, they are relaxing.
See, we agree on everything.
Almost everything. Pineapple on pizza?
I like it.
That is wrong.
Majority wins. Next stop is ours.
The hostel is a 2-minute walk. I'm nervous about the gift.
Why? It's just a gift.
But what if it's something big?
Then we celebrate. There's Emma at the door.
Hi, Emma. Your house is beautiful.
Thank you. My mom cleaned it. The gift is on the table.
Can I open it now?
Yes, I'm curious too.
Jake, do you want to do the honors?
No, it's for Emma.
Okay, slowly. The ribbon is coming off.
What is inside?
A box. Open it.
It's a keychain with a photo.
Whose photo?
Your brother and Emma together. And there's writing on the back. What does it say?
To my favorite person. Oh my God. Emma, are you okay?
Yes, I'm just surprised. That is a very personal gift.
Do you like it?
I love it. I will use it on my college keys.
That's perfect. Jake, your brother has good taste.
I will tell him.
Emma, you are lucky. Now let's have some snacks. My mom made cookies.
I love cookies. This is a good day. Friends, gifts, and cookies.
Let's take a photo together. Everyone say cheese.
Cheese.
Perfect. I will send it to the group, College Friends Forever.
I like that. Okay, we should go now. It is getting dark.
Thank you for having us, Emma.
Thank you for coming. See you tomorrow in class.
Same time, same place. Sweet dreams.
You too. Good night.